face, and you cannot deny.
Alrighty, good morning, folks. It is your friend just waking up to a nice new trend. Shout out to all the folks coming from the Zombie channel. Market cipher 50-40% off, all kinds of options. Get my coffee, let me get my coffee and get situated. Be right back.
Hello. Hello.
Take a look here, folks. I don't know what else to tell you. Yesterday on the Crypto Zombie channel, we saw real time this beautiful trigger wave VWAP coming up. She banged Super confident. 12K is right around the corner, no problem. Going up as we speak. Can you do it? ETH in a little ETH trade, 30K, we'll take it. Ripple doesn't look like it's doing much. Same Ripple trade, all right, we're up 2 grand in Ripple. Welcome all the new folks. Market cipher orders pouring in. You guys got my team busy as hell, which I love. They're earning their paychecks. Let's take a look, see here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at these tight trigger waves up here. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but eventually it's gonna get the pop, as we see here. Beautiful, beautiful. On our 6-hour Mount Everest theory, I'm pretty sure we're heading straight for another Mount Everest peak. And look where we are now, right? With the green wave, where we were before, right here. Potentially a lot of room to the upside. This is about the same. 20%. What was this? 20%. We might have 20% more to go. If we go up 20% from here. Jesus, you gotta be kidding me. My God. 14K. Which was what the call was on their third Mount Everest peak. We said 14K on the third Mount Everest peak. Absolutely makes complete sense. Now, took a little longer than I thought. I actually didn't think we'd go down this far. I thought we'd come down into the red, but as time goes on, looks like we're having more of a Siamese twin peak. 20%, 14K, makes absolute sense to me. Now, how much? 1139. What is that? No. I need to change my screen. Hang on. Oops. Okay. 25%. I'm in 2 mil. So if we hit 14K, I'll be up half a mil. This would be my biggest trade ever, my most profitable trade ever. If I hold this trade to 14K, I will be up $500,000. That's a $500,000 profit. That would be my best trade ever, which was what I was going for with the third Mount Everest peak. I wanted to take my swing. So if we can hit that, I'll be up $500,000 from this trade. Come on, baby. That'd be awesome. That'd be my best trade ever. Yeah, I mean, I really did, like I said, we really wanted to come into the red on the Mount Everest peak, but I'm already in this, you know, 2 mil. A 2 mil trade was kind of what I was thinking as my swing. Of course, we always wish we did more, you know, when it's going our way. I wish it was more, but it is what it is. Damn. This is awesome. All thanks to Market Cipher. I don't know. When you have Market Cipher and then you don't have it, you feel like you're naked without it. You don't know how you were trading without it. I need to order some coffee. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Alrighty. Man, if we can hit 14K, if I hold this trade, we'll be up $500,000. Pay some of the bills. Market Cipher, folks. This is the biggest special we've ever had. Lifetime orders coming in. 1 year for 600. Market Cipher is 2 years of everything I and my partner know, back tested, customized. We have the key. This is truly a revolutionary. I know it's cheesy to say, but we're changing people's lives all across the globe of all different skill levels. And it's not complicated. Just the core strategy. Officially now, folks, the user guide has not officially been released yet. There's still a couple tweaks we gotta make to it. So it will be out this week, I promise. Right now, there's no way to get Market Cipher with crypto. Get a BitPay card with a Visa or MasterCard logo on it. Oh yeah, trust me, my E-Trade account is popping. You can trade anything that can be charted, you can use with Market Cipher. I charted COVID-19 with Market Cipher and was able to nail predictions on virus bullshit. So it works on any. Let's take a look at gold today. We longed gold. We had amazing confirmations with gold. Look at this. Gold right now, to me, I'm long on gold. I think we're going to be going up here on gold. Take a look at ETH. ETH, loving this type of wave formation. Oh my God. Oh my God. the 3-day on ETH. VWAP coming up. We are thick in the green. ETH looking really good. Looking real good. I don't trade Forex. There's a handful of guys that use Market Cipher for Forex, and they swear up and down by it. They fucking love it. Guys, anything that can be charted, you can use Market Cipher for. It doesn't matter. Cattle futures, beans. There's Forex guys in my profit logs. Let's see if we can find one. Let's go. You'll find some profit logs of Forex guys. Let's see if we can find some. Here we go. Here's some Forex guys using Market Cipher. They love it. These are all profit logs of our trade group. Here's another one. Here's another one. Anyways, it works on anything, folks. So the Discord, there's two different Discords. There's the Market Cipher Discord and there's the Crypto Face Trade Group Discord. I used to have it open to the public, but there's too much scammers and trolls and pieces of shit that would come in. So if you want to get in my Discord, it's part of my trade group. Let's see here. I have two websites. There's Crypto Face Crypto, which the Whale Crew is Bull Shark should be taken out. That's just the same as Whale Crew. Whale Crew is my trade groups, $1,000 one time, lifetime to get my signals. Market Cipher is the Market Cipher website. So all the links are in the description. I wish I could have it open to the public, but there was too much scammy bullshit and scum of the earth that was trying to wiggle in. Yeah, I was bullish as hell on Zombie. You know, I showed the indications yesterday. Like I said, we've been seeing this coming. We got our money where our mouth is. I can't comment on entering any positions as of right now. I mean, like I said, short term, you know, it's I don't know, it's up to you. But look at these larger time frames. It's just getting started. So if I was not in any positions, the macros what I'd be looking, even if the price zigzags on lower time frames, these higher time frames are looking gold. This 4-day, this hasn't even started yet, guys. This still has to come up. This hasn't even started yet on the 4-day, the 3-day. So Bitcoin, I'm for real, I'm looking at 14K, 13.5, 14K is, that has been, you can go back to our old videos of the Mount Everest theory and our target for the next Mount. Oh, this is ETH. Okay, let me go to Bitcoin. When people were calling for Bitcoin to 14K a month or two ago, I said no, not yet. We're not breaking out yet. In fact, let me show it to you. You can see just in our video titles. Hang on. Let's go down here. All right, let's see here. Here we go. 2 months ago, Bitcoin won't go over 12,200 yet. This is where I said we are not gonna break out of this channel. This was somewhere like around here. We have to see another Mount Everest peak in order to break out to a new channel. And I believe that is what is going on exactly right now. So now is the time that we can see a breakout to the next channel. Now, after that, we come up to this Mount Everest peak. After that, all bets are off. If we're up here, then it's chill time, most likely. And then hopefully, remember that's election time and shit, or after election, then hopefully we have one more fourth Mount Everest peak. 4 is the most repetitive, is the most historical repetitive number. But 3 is right behind that. And then behind 3 is 5. So if we're real lucky, we see 5. But after this third one, you know, we'll be chilling. There is a Market Cipher affiliate program. Become a reseller. I pay 15%. 15%. None of that 10% bullshit. You get paid at the end of the month once a month. We're a small team here. We are raw. We are a small cohort team. But we get the job done. And we are leading the market. We know what's going to happen before it happens. And forgive me if I sound like a douche. But it's true. Our money's where our mouth is. Let me know anyone else. There's a lot of TA traders out there that talk about charting and live streaming. I don't see anyone else betting 2 mil. This douche is pumping. This douche is cleaning house. Where's my brother? Let me get him on the call. Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Turn you up here.
Just tuning in, sipping it, truly like a basic bitch.
Can you guys hear him okay? How's the volume? How's the music compared to my voice when you were watching?
Kind of fine.
I'll be right back.
I turned myself up. Does this sound okay? I'm trading, man. I actually just entered big position on ETH. No leverage. I just like bought a bunch of ETH, but I thought ETH was looking good, man. It looks like we're gonna retest the previous high, like 480, like 488 or something like that. I like literally just got into ETH like 15 minutes ago. So, pretty fresh. Had some laying around, but I realized I was not in that shit enough. I had to buy some more.
Alrighty. Yeah, dude. I'm in. Let's see. My ETH trade is for 280 grand. Fuck, I wish that was more because ETH is going up hard percentage wise. I'm up 30 grand in ETH. Let's see here.
I'm a few zeros behind you, man, but I put 10K into ETH. Need more zeros.
got I got a little Bitcoin here lying around. Let me. Man, we are on fire. Man, the 2-day, the daily. God, we just nailed this move, dude. We've been just nailing this for the past 2 months. Look at our video titles, folks. See for yourself. Match up to the date to the video. You'll see. We got nothing but heaters, folks. Nothing but heaters.
Yeah, there's no way that was just going down. Like, it's got to undulate a little bit, you know? It may even go higher than before, but just look divergent and look a little weak. Might have to dump after that, but...
This 4-day is huge. You know, I would say around the 12K area might be time to take a little profit. We'll see, but if there's a time that we hit 14K, like I said, we are building up to this third Mount Everest peak, and the Siamese twin Mount Everest peaks are strong. Let me go back in the past. Here, this was a Siamese twin Mount Everest peak. I mean, we're like right here. Look, we're right here. I mean, my God. This was just a three peak Everest peak.
Almost
And
4.
Look at the damage that was done. Just murder. And this has built up foundation. This was all this time of foundation support creating really is a nice platform for us here.
Yeah, you had 4 red mountains after those 4 green mountains, so what goes up must come down, and what goes down must come up.
Welcome to the merry-go-round. It's the market cipher merry-go-round, folks. I don't know what you people have been doing, but we've been doing this for years. There is no discount on my trade group because we don't want shitters and flopping gropers, and it's already cheap enough. Please don't ask me for any more. You give a moose a muffin, he asks for a glass of milk. For Pete's sake, give him an inch. Give him an inch, they take a mile.
50% off lifetime is crazy. That's the best deal we ever did.
What are you talking about? I was in a trade last week that was in the red, and I held it, and it went into the green. So I don't know. All the haters tried to come here. Where was it? Let's see. It was one where it says Rex the haters. Okay, so here it was. So let's go ahead and click this video. Let me turn the volume off. Look, this trade, $400,000 trade, I was in the red. On live stream, in the red. Everyone was talking shit, right? I didn't fucking... I showed it completely, and then the very next day, the very same trade, oh, it was in the green. So I don't want to hear no shit that I don't show when a trade's in the red. I do. I don't know. I don't have any targets, guys. I'm not a target guy.
Yeah, he's looking at the waves. Does the wave look tired? Then it's time to get out, you know?
I just go with my indicators. And when my indicators show it's topping out, then that'll be my quote-unquote target. when I start seeing signs of, you know, like when we are at the peak of this Mount Everest, you know what I mean? And even still, as the Mount Everest is diverging, there's still movement up. So yeah, a little after the peak, like somewhere around here, probably looking to take profit and get out.
You bring up a good point, man. Like even as that green wave is lessening, it's still positive.
Yep.
It's just not as positive.
I'll be right back.
You can sign up for that reseller program, Radic, and it's 15% commission, which is a really competitive commission. So you can sell Market Cipher if you want. Yeah, when you enter a trade based on the waves, usually the waves get you out too, whatever the price is, you know.
All right, I got my coffee. Yeah, folks. The affiliate program, you get paid in Bitcoin at the end of the month, once a month. We pay 15%. And then this special, when it's over, it's over. The special is going to run till Sunday for 50% off, 40% off. So, you don't know what you're missing.
If you guys are having trouble with access, there's a lot of new people coming in, so just let our mods know. We're compiling a list of all the people we need to help. We'll get you guys sorted out. Shouldn't be too long, Charlie.
Yeah, don't change your TradingView username or else you lose everything, and then you got to go through customer service, and it's a bitch, especially right now when we have all these people flooding in. Now's not the time to change your TradingView username.
I mean, that's TradingView's fault. Like, screw them for tying it to the name. It should be gifted to your account, whatever your name is. But yeah, it's silly. It's like that. So yeah, don't change your TradingView name.
They're a small group. TradingView is just like 4 dudes too. They're a little Flintstone operation like us. We're Flintstoning it.
That sound effect when they kick their legs to like get the car going. That's us right now. Yeah.
Yes, sirree. Life is good. You don't need to have a stick up your ass to know how to trade. You don't need to, you know, God, and everyone's using these mainstream shitty indications and all kinds of stuff. Telling you. Revolutionary, works on every and any asset that can be charted. Forex, stocks, beans, cattle futures.
Cattle futures.
Again, yes, there is a market cipher reseller program. You go to the website, sign up, you get a tap affiliate dashboard and all kinds of shit. Links and everything you need. You got everything you need to make your own little business. The amount of time you have market cipher. There's 5 months for 400, 1 year for 600, 1500 for a lifetime. I know everyone's excited, so sometimes you don't really see or read things. I've been there when I've bought new video games, and you're just so excited. There's so much to market cipher too, guys. We're only scratching the surface. There's market cipher SR. Like I said, you build off of the core strategy. We use market cipher A for little bonus features, like bam, that's a little bullish feature on top of indication confirmations. Like right here, this is beautiful. Momentum waves coming up. We were in the red coming up. VWAP coming up. Little green, bang. And these are leading indicators. You are getting confirmations before the move happens. That is what separates us from everybody else. Yeah, what are you still doing here, bro? If you don't like me, leave, man. I don't know. You're still watching the stream. Here, kick this nerd out. Later, nerd. I'm the older brother.
There's no time for haters, man.
You know, we ain't got time for haters, man. Our trade group, I've had to ban probably like 10 people, which is really good for having 3,000 people in it, but that's why I don't want to lower the price. The price is low enough on my signal group. It's low enough because we really want to keep a positive, clear-minded. It is a sensitive garden that must be pruned. And we prune.
Fully staffed too. We got 5 moderators in there all the time handling shit.
I know it's kind of confusing. There's like 2 different websites, but Market Cipher is like bigger than Crypto Face. It goes beyond crypto, so that's why we're trying to separate Market Cipher from just the Crypto Face guy. I'm just a guy. But Market Cipher goes beyond that. So that's why there's 2 different websites for it. Go to the websites there, Hawk. There's 3 different options. I know there's people just joining, and so answering a lot of same questions over and over. It's all good though. These are the prices. It's $1,500 for a year. It's normally $3,000, or excuse me, $1,500 for a lifetime. It's normally $1,000 for a year. It's $600 now. Really didn't want to lower this 5 month. That's why we only did it for $100. We really don't want to dilute the quality of people that we have in our community. There is no trial. Sorry. No trial. We have an 82% satisfaction rate. Surveyed 100 people randomly. Bang, baby. Look at these survey results. PA profitable since day one. People, it was like 70 something or 62% of people made their setup cost back on their first trade.
It works on everything, Spiker. You could trade MC with everything.
It had the Viagra effect. It was designed for Bitcoin, but which makes sense. It's the hardest asset. If it works for that, it works for anything else. Pull up any chart. Someone give me a stock. Someone give me a ticker. Tesla. Who's the first asshole who's good? Tesla. Uni USD. Oh God, Uniswap. Oh, Uni. Is that what it is? All right, let's see what this is. Fucking Uniswap. All right, beautiful. So look at this. So we're on the 2 hour. Look at this. Nice little anchor trigger wave coming up here. We see we have a good clear indication going up. So this is looking bullish on the 2 hours. Looks like it probably has some room to go here. Let's see what else we got.
I like that.
This looks like a new asset. This shit just launched in 2020.
Finding support on the EMA. The EMA line. It's finding support on there.
Looking at the 45-minute. Nice long indication here. You got your money flow. A nice curvature. Anchor wave. Trigger wave. Green coming up. So that doesn't look bad at all. Might be a little room left. We like getting into the red, or at least early in the green, so there might be a little room left here on this uni, whatever. I'm not into these DeFi coin rat race stuff, you know. Chainlink. All right, we can take a look at Chainlink. I'm not into that either. But let's take a look. Wow, look at the 12 hours. So 12 hours deep in the red here. So, you know, anchor wave, couple trigger waves. So this might be kind of like a good little bottom. Could zigzag. It could come down a little bit. Could zigzag, right?
Green dot.
Yeah, nice little green dot. Let's enhance. Take a look at the 6 hour. This looks nice. Look, just kind of fighting out of the green. Go the 4 hour. Beautiful trigger wave right here. We love these trigger waves being very small and pressed up against this line. And what do you know? Bang! Beautiful pop. Beautiful pop
And shoulder
right there.
bottom.
I'm not into those coins though. You know, I'm not really into that stuff. A man can only handle so much. Man, look at this. Look at the daily on Bitcoin. My lordy. My lordy. We got the fundamentals backing us up. Call me McDonald's because I'm loving it. Guys, all the shitcoins, they all look the same. Like, I don't see, you know, like all the charts look the same on shitcoins and crypto. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're all the same. Don't get mad at me. Love market cipher on the 30 second sometimes. Really does work. Look, in the red, coming up, boom, price came up. Coming down from the green, went down a little bit. I am not shorting anything right now. Obviously, we're in a bull trend, so I'm only looking to long, right? Right here, boop, little tiny in the red, anchors, triggers, whack, whammy. So right now, we see that it's cooling off, a little bit cooling off. Then we'll see. It'll come back in the red down here. We'll get some indications and bang. You'll see. Yeah, it all works on mobile phones. All works on mobile phones. Imposters. There's fakes out there, but no one gets it. We're always tweaking market cipher. No one's got the formula, man. They all try to claim that they do. There's some things people can copy, but they ain't got it like we do. Heathens, scammers, scum. Crypto has the best, brightest, and most beautiful people in the world, but it also has the exact opposite. We got the most evil, scum, slummy people in the world too. It's just a battle. It's a battle of good and evil. And I'm on the good fight. I know what fight. I found crypto after a prayer. Prayed to Jesus. I prayed to Jesus one night. Asked for a woman I really wanted at the time, and a way to help people all around the world make money that really needed it. And as soon as I was done with that prayer, I went to my computer and just found crypto stuff and have been in love ever since. So links are in the description, guys. Yep, links to Market Cipher website where you can get it, and the trade group. My trade group is also in there too, so links are in the description, guys. Yeah, there's people that have never traded before and they started trading just because of Market Cipher, for real.
It's like Super Mario, man. Like a child could play it, but it does take, it takes a while to master.
If you had to choose between Market Cipher or my trade group, I would take Market Cipher all day long over my trade group. Market Cipher's there 24/7, gets you access to everything. My trade group too, I don't spoon feed you everything. And my ass is up and I'll go to sleep. I don't give, like, I always say exits are up to you. Like, I'll let you know, I'd say half the time when I exit a trade, but I make it real clear. If don't come into my trade group expecting me to give you every damn detail of everything. If I give you an entry and we're hella in profit, man, it's up to you to take profit. Don't rely on me. I have a life. But yeah, if you had to choose one, take Market Cipher all day long.
The website's working for me personally, man, but it could be your region. Maybe try using a VPN.
Yeah, so listen.
Wait a little bit.
GoDaddy really sucks, and so sometimes if you pull up the Market Cipher website and you're getting that stupid rocket error message, Control F5, clear your cache. That should work. You're viewing like an old bugged version of the website, or turn on a VPN in a different country. It should work. So clear your cache, and you should get the most updated part. We are moving hosting because GoDaddy is the worst. Oh, it's been nothing but nightmares. So we were supposed to move hosting today, but we got sales coming in. And our team is super loaded right now. It's a week-long special, started yesterday, so it ends this Sunday. Yeah.
The Discord community you get invited to is full of video guides and like how to put in orders and do all that logistical stuff.
Yes, it works for the free version of TradingView because Market Cipher is considered one indicator, or A and B are both considered one indicator each. And so, yes, TradingView, Market Cipher is compatible with the free version of TradingView. Yes. the links are all in the description, guys. There's look in the description. It says real clear Crypto Face Trade Group. It has the link there. It's all, look around, people. Come on, help yourselves. I normally do not use this amount of leverage. Normally I stick around like 10. But as you gain cushion, like you can increase leverage, you know, as your trade is in the green, that's when you can like bump it up a little bit. So I did not start at 20x. I'm pretty sure I started 10 and built it up. Yes, I love gold. I love trading gold. I absolutely trade gold. I'm in gold positions right now. Congratulations, Jules. I'm glad you began your market cipher journey. There are tutorials, guys. The user guide is not released yet. I know you guys have seen it I've showed it on Zombie. It's not officially released yet. A couple little things we got to tweak and finish off. In the meantime, there's tutorials on the website. The first thing you gotta view, if this would load, is the core strategy. Here it is. Basic strategy and where to start. We enter a live trade using core strategy, and you'll have to find out if it works out or not. From video 1, 2 to 3, we enter and exit a trade just by using basic core strategy of market cipher.
You can adjust your leverage throughout the duration of your position. You can.
Yeah, to increase your position, yeah. Or decrease your position, yeah.
Obviously, if you're lowering your leverage, you need more of your own money to put into the position. So if you don't have enough funds, it won't let you change your leverage to that amount.
Of course, I long and short, but right now we're in a bull trend, so I'm only long. And if we're in a bear trend, I'll only short. I go with the flow. I'm not trying to give myself a heart attack. Don't overtrade, you know. Just stick with the simple confirmation trades. Don't go against the grain. You change leverage up here. You click this pencil so I can lower it if you have some Bitcoin in there, or increase it and add to the position.
Yeah, if you increase it, that's technically freeing up more of your balance to put into buying more position. But that's kind of a high risk play. That's like exploiting like positive risk scenarios, like when it's just like dumb pumping or something.
Damn, ETH 395. What's going on here? Let's take a look. Boom, I'm up 35K on ETH. I wish I was in a bigger ETH trade. Look, I'm only in 280 grand on ETH. I'm in a $2 million Bitcoin long, yet this is up 35 grand. I'm up only 100K. My Bitcoin position's 8-9 times bigger, yet ETH has 1/3 of the profit. I don't know. I'm thinking with this Mount Everest peak, we can hit 14K, but you know, we'll see. We don't know what can happen in between that. At 14K, I'll be at $500,000 in profit on this Bitcoin trade. And this is only one account. I have 4 trading accounts for different time frames, so I'm in 2 other Bitcoin positions, excluding this one. Whew. There's instructions on setup and everything, yep. We were just looking at ETH. ETH was looking real good. But I'll pull it up again here. Where were we? The 3-day on ETH is looking fire. I'm loving what I'm seeing on ETH. This is looking huge on ETH. Really want to increase my ETH position. Okay, let's take a look. See here. I'm already, yeah, this, and ETH leverage is really dicey, man. Real dicey. I don't even like being in 12 on ETH. This is like max ETH leverage for me here. And ETH is so wonky, man. It can just come right down. So I'm not really going to touch this unless I deposit more ETH. Yeah, I mean, if we're at 14K Bitcoin, I guess ETH would be around 600. Something like that. Right around here. So, where's my ETH entry? 350? So that'd be a 2x damn near. I really need to increase this position. Of course it works with precious metals. It works with anything that can be charted. I've been here, we'll go back here. I know for some of you we keep repeating gold. My god, look at the 3-day on gold. Huge. Look at this. Look at the last time we had a beautiful anchor tight trigger wave right here on gold. Shopping. And look, this is right at the turning point. I am longing gold right fucking now. Excuse my French. Right now I'm longing gold. Swing. Yes, sir. Yeah, gold. I'm loving gold right now. I am loving gold. Got the Midas touch. We got the Midas touch here with market cipher, folks. Yee. Let's look at shitter Ripple. Oh my god, this is terrible. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Just kidding. Four-hour looks great on Ripple. We have back to back. Yeah, I think Ripple's going to have its explosion coming here soon, actually. Ripple should be popping soon. I believe Ripple is going to have a pop very, very soon. Right now it hasn't been moved, but I think its turn's coming up here. I'm long on Ripple.
That looks like a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders.
It's only been up until the past couple months where I've actually been able to trade Ripple profitably. I really never, this coin has been a crutch of mine for so long, but it's up until recent have I been able to murder the game with Ripple. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Ripple right now, macro. Looking good. Free money, man, for the taking. Are you man enough to take it? well, the safest leverage with Bitcoin is no leverage, but on my like macro long-term Bitcoin, I mean 5x maybe, but that's still 20%. There's 20% drops all the time, so maybe 3. I don't know. It's up to you. But I think Bitcoin still has 20% to go to the upside. Let me go ahead and go over that again for the people joining us and why I believe Bitcoin has 20% more to go, which is going to bring us right to 14K. Taking a look at the 6 hour, here's our green wave marker right here. So we're going to pull that. So this was last time we were at this level with Bitcoin. Take here. Still, damn, that was 30%. Go over here. We have our marker right here. Last time Bitcoin was right there, which was right here. Still had 30%. Jesus Christ. I guess we could go up even more. We're here again. 20% would be 14K. 30% would be 15. It's in the picture. It's in the picture. I use E-Trade, Tim. Let's see. I'm at 11. What was my Bitcoin entry here? 1139. That's us, baby. So 37%. So if we got to 15K, I'd be up 600K. Yeah, there's plenty of tutorials. The user guide is going to be released this week. Just tightening it up a little bit. Man, you guys have me running out of breath. Take a look at the S&P. Wow, look at the 2-day on the S&P. Beautiful, my gosh. Anchor, beautiful trigger wave. Just starting to come up. Let's enhance. Not bad for the S&P. Nice, healthy, thick in the green. Yeah, I mean, there's no reason why we shouldn't continue up here on the S&P. Man, I mean, it's the stock market, guys, is even easier. Look at the 2 hour. If you just buy in the red when it's confirmed, like come down, even coming up, even on the little ones, just bang, bang, bang. I love the 2 hour. I use all time frames, multiple accounts. I have multiple accounts for multiple time frames. Bang it. Yeah, you know, my kind of thoughts on what can happen after the election, if like changed around, like I don't really know, but yeah, I would I don't know. I mean, yeah, I think if Trump loses, that wouldn't be good for the market. We already looked at Chainlink. Chainlink was looking good from what I remember. All the shit coins, all the cryptos, all the same. What? These stalker keeps talking about test account. This is no test account. Nice try though, bro. Never even heard of Badao. Sounds like bidet. I don't know, you know, guys, I don't really concern myself like with just focus on like the now and what the indicator shows you. Like there's no point in stressing yourself over what can happen when we hit somewhere. Like there's no point, you know? There's no point. Oh my gosh, the 4-day, yes, God, this was what we saw yesterday. I love looking at this 4-day right now with Bitcoin. Man, this looks good. Oh. Oh.
It does, it does.
Okay, look at silver here. So we got silver on the 2-day looking like it's just starting a little eclipse right here. If this, so what we're going to do is go to the left time frame to get a future peak. Wow, okay. So, little new lesson here. This counts as a trigger wave. When we have a steep niche on the same wave, that is very bullish if it's on this side. If it was reversed, it'd be bearish, but this is bullish. Silver, that's looking good for silver. Go to enhance. 12-hour looking good. We tapped in the red. Super, super tight trigger wave right here. Silver looking like she's gonna pop. Ooh, finished a nice red wave trigger. I'm loving silver. I'm loving silver. Loving silver. I'm liking silver. Yeah, what explains a trigger wave is real simple. It's just a wave smaller than the wave before it. So
Reduced negative momentum.
right, so if this is our first big wave, this is a smaller wave, so this would be a trigger wave, this would be our anchor to that trigger wave. So we just call trigger waves as a wave smaller than the wave before it. That's all. No, I don't want to take profit because then when I have to re-enter and I don't have this cushion. If I see indications, you know, I have multiple accounts. This one, I'm in on this one. I'm sitting on this trade because I think we're going higher, and so I have other accounts that I'll scalp the smaller moves. So the answer to that question is yes and no. Was this call in the whale crew? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Let's take a look. Yeah, this was 3 days ago. This was when I believe 11,300, 500 is next. Yeah, we have scalps, swing plays. This is where I post my signals. Wow, look at this guy. He was able to make his cost back in 1 day with Market Cipher. Badass, dude. Thanks for the testimonial. Oh, man. I'm getting hungry, folks. I might have to be cutting the stream here. Any last words? You have any last words, brethren?
Man, I think I can go to at least 13K. So, and then I went in hard on ETH like as soon as you started this stream. So, but yeah, man, I'm getting hungry too.
All right, folks, it's been a good stream. Don't worry, we'll be back. You know, like we'll be back. So, other than that, thank you. Market Cipher specials going on till Sunday. You can be an affiliate, get 15% commissions. MarketCipherTrading.com for Market Cipher, for the Whale Crew, my trade group, CryptoFaceCrypto.com. Links are in the description. Sayonara. Love you guys. All of the new folks, welcome. Glad to have you. We've been doing this for 2-3 years, so it's ain't nothing new to us. If you're not with us, doesn't mean you're against us. Just means you ain't with us, man. So, see you guys.